These crunchy green apples are going to be turned into apple crumble. My apples are gently spiced with cinnamon and a touch of lemon, and my crumble topping is delicious and crunchy. So if you'd like to see my apple crumble, come with me and let's see. So I've got 6 apples, so I'm going to core them and peel them and chop them and pop them in this saucepan. So I just take the base out and take the centerpiece out with my peeler, take the peel off, and then I dice them. And roughly about halfway through, I sprinkle my apples with lemon juice, stops them from going brown. Now I've got a little jug of water here, so I'm just going to pour some water over that. And I love adding cinnamon to my apples. I don't add any extra sugar, but if you wanted to add sugar, feel free. I always find there's enough sugar in the topping. I'm going to boil that for 5 minutes and then simmer it for roughly about 15 minutes until the apples are totally soft. Preheat your oven to 160 if you've got a fan, or 180. And I'm baking my apple crumble in my lasagna dish, or if you've got a pie dish, just pre-grease that with a little bit of butter and have that ready and waiting to go. So next step, we're going to make the crumble topping, and we're going to add all of our dry ingredients. So I've got 1/3 cup of desiccated coconut. That's about 5 heaped tablespoons. Then we're going to add spelt flour, or you can add regular flour. We've added 65 grams of flour, about 1/2 cup, some brown sugar, that's about 1/4 cup, or 50 grams, and then we're adding rolled oats. I've got the big ones, but you can also use porridge oats if that's all you've got on hand. And just checking my recipe, we've got 50 grams of oats. I love adding cinnamon to everything, so we're adding 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So we just want to whisk that together. Just going to give my apples a little stir just to make sure that the cinnamon goes down to the bottom. And the reason we took the lid off, we want to get rid of this liquid. We don't want to have our apples with too much liquid when we have them in the crumble. So the next step, you need to get your hands dirty. So I've got 90 grams of chilled cube butter. So that's roughly about 1/2 cup plus 2 tablespoons. And then we just want to work the butter with the dry mixture until it forms the crumble. So that's ready to just set aside. Our apples are all cooked. And then we've got our crumble topping. Then we're going to bake this in our oven, and it roughly takes about 20 to 30 minutes. So here we have the crumble. It took 35 minutes today, but I can't wait to taste it. The cinnamon smells amazing. So if you've liked my video today, share it with a friend, hit the thumbs up, and write a comment below if you've made it and you like the recipe. Anyway, I'll see you next time. Bye!